Check this out. Can you hear the echo? What's up, family? I got a cool one for you guys today. It's gonna be a little bit different than the normal, just me explaining some stuff. I'll give you guys some tips and stuff like that, but it's gonna be a cool one, right? If I got anything on my lips, just don't pay attention to it, because I noticed in one of my old videos I had like green smoothie on my lips or something, and like I'm eating a banana smoothie. It's in there right now, but anyways, that's besides the point, guys. Let me show you guys my future goals right here. Well, it's not even future goals. Well, they are future goals, but it's like in the work. It's in the making right now. I'm gonna show you guys something, okay? I'm gonna take you into this building, right, where if a few of the people I had a meeting with, if we can get together and go through with this is what we're looking to do. I'll show you guys.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Alright, let's go into this building real quick. You see there's a lot of work being done here, because we had to clean off the windows and whatnot. But check this out, guys. I don't know if you can see me in here. I'm gonna be black in here. See, behind me is probably pitch black, but it's a warehouse, guys. There's my brother-in-law right there. We had a few workers here cleaning the windows off. But check this out. Can you hear the echo? Guys, can you hear the echo? Can you still see me? Or is it too black? Am I too black? Am I Wesley Snipes? Nah, guys, I'm just gonna go over here to the light. Yeah, so we're trying to jump on this before anybody else does. Now, this may seem massive. They're asking, I think it's around 30,000, 25 or 30,000 a month for this area. Now, my credit isn't the best credit. Matter of fact, it's not good at all. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. There's a lot of things when I was younger that I'm still fixing to this day. And almost done. It's gonna be good very soon. But, however, this place right here, I'm trying to get. I'm trying to put something together with a few people so that we can start something massive. See, I have an LLC. A buddy of mine has an LLC. And someone else I know has an LLC who also does sell on Amazon. And we found this location because my other company, what I told you what I do at home, they wanted us to, you know, we're gonna be plowing this whole shopping center. Now there's like 5 different empty places like this in the shopping center. Empty, guys. So if there's big businessmen watching this video right now, if they ever come across this for any reason, they'll probably be interested in this and try to buy it before I do. Now, this is way too much for me to buy by myself at this point in time. It just wouldn't be a smart investment at all, right? So I'm trying to bring a team of people together so that we can get this. Look at this, it's huge, right? And take a stab at the whole wholesale thing. Now, how can you go from 0 to 100 real quick is putting like-minded minds together. That's how you can go from 0 to 100 real quick. Now, the people that I brought on, that I had a meeting with, they have perfect, damn near perfect credit scores, and they make good money. We all make good money, but I know my buddy, he has a daggone damn near perfect credit score. And see, it's all about, sometimes it's about luck too and who you know. And I happen to know the people who are renting this out, like the county. I'm good friends with, you know, some of the people there, so we can get a deal. So that's where I come in with also with a little bit of cash as well, obviously. And but my buddy's gonna come in with the good credit. And I mean, look, guys, this is, I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this. I'm showing you guys this because I told you I'm gonna show you my life from now on and start vlogging. It's about to be 2019, so it's gonna be different than, like, I'm gonna give you guys everything. And yeah, this is just something cool for you guys to see, to be motivated to, like, maybe one day look into doing something like this. This is massive, guys. This is huge. This is huge. Listen, big guys. So, I mean, this is something we're looking into. I mean, I wouldn't be able to, listen guys, I wouldn't even be able to be in here right now if I didn't have, you know, some pull, you know, like if I didn't have any strings, right? Some connections. They let me come in here to see it, and like I said, we had some workers working on the windows. And guys, I can go, like, I have the keys to this place, the passcode. I can come in here as much as I want until somebody buys it, if it's not me and my crew. Yeah, see, this is where the trucks will load. There's one on this side and there's one on the other side. I don't know why there's two on two separate sides. That's kind of weird to me. But this is where the trucks will come in. One of them, right, you see? Trucks, back door, we can just, you know, the 18-wheelers. And we load up here, right, where we would do our LTL shipping. You know, the massive shipments. And then you come over here, this is the warehouse. The office would be over there in the corner over there. I don't know if you can see. Let's go over there real quick. Bathrooms over here, way far away from the freaking office, which is weird. We got another back door over there, which actually is a loading dock. I'm not gonna go out that way because I'm just too lazy. Like this, you see this, it's taking me like how long to walk across this whole warehouse, diagonal. It's ridiculous. So yeah, guys, the office will be over here, and yeah, it's weird. I think this was a bathroom, but they switched it. I don't know why they would do that, but yeah, here's another. Oh wait, no, yeah, well, it's really dark in here, but this is like a storage unit, but the actual office is in here. This would be like a little small office, guys. You see, nothing major. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. With the reflecting mirror. Hey guys, hey. Yeah, but yeah, I got the code to here, so I come here as much as I want to just keep myself motivated. There's a couple of I come here just to see it, guys, and just, you know, it motivates me every single time I come here. More and more, me and my buddies come just to check it out. You know, maybe get into that wholesale game, like massively. But doing it like the right way, like doing it like legit, with like coming in with a bang, getting loans from the bank and all that good stuff, man. So yeah, this is something I'm looking at. This is not a guarantee. I just want to show you guys this because you're my family, and this is just something I'm looking at right now, guys. I'm everywhere, guys. I'm always doing something, guys. I'm focused. I'm just, you know, I'm trying to do something massive. You know, when my daughter turns 5 years old, I don't plan on even being working anymore. By the time my daughter's 5, and she's about to be 1, so that gives me 5 years. Well, 4 years, actually. And by the time, like, by the time she's 5, I don't plan on even working anymore. I plan on just traveling and stuff like that. You know, just, you know, spoiling my girl, spoiling my queen and my princess, and that's it. So this is something that may be in the making. I'm not making any promises, but it'll be good if it does. So yeah, all right, guys. That's that, guys. I may go do some retail arbitrage today. Yeah, and retail arbitrage is not dead. Don't worry about that. Even though sales have slowed down massively. I mean, Christmas and all. But guys, there are certain types of items that you will want to buy still right now, and I will explain those to you in a second. Maybe in this video if it's not too long. If not, I'll explain it to you in another video. And yeah, guys, it's peace and love. Look, the Mustang owns the whole parking lot right now. We own the whole parking lot. We own this building. Oh, look, universe, open your doors for me.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button and slap that bell to get notified for daily uploads, family. You already know.
It's peace and love, guys. It's peace and love.